1 month ago, Hurricane Ian battered southwest Florida, leaving a catastrophe of historic proportion in its wake. Yet, in the darkest moments, there was so much light. In the last 4 weeks, the very best of humanity has been on display. From heroic first responders to friends and neighbors coming together to recover and rebuild. Though there's still a journey ahead for some areas, our beautiful Gulf Coast is resilient. And the reality is that only a short distance inland, the damage was very limited, and one would never even know an event occurred. For most, in most locations, today is just another typical day. While not wavering in our commitment to help those who remain in need, we've also not wavered in fulfilling the vision of those wishing to join us in this paradise where we live, love, and grow together.
I am so grateful to be part of the premier Sotheby's International Realty team who banded together to get our community back on its feet. We have emerged stronger than ever and are anticipating a busy and beautiful season ahead in Southwest Florida.
The storm hasn't tempered the desire of people who want to live here. Demand remains strong for both local and out-of-state buyers who are drawn to our weather, beaches, low taxes, golf, tennis, arts, and culture.
Southwest Florida will always be a boater's paradise. Right now, we're seeing buyers clamor for the coastal and waterfront properties that offer easy access to our gorgeous Gulf waters.
Our Gulf Coast is thriving. Restaurants and stores are bustling, and we are back in the business of having fun in the sun.
The one-of-a-kind community we are so proud to share with others around the world is indeed paradise. And it's ready to welcome you back.